This key fob battery and replacement kit comes with everything you need to replace the battery on your Honda key fob, including pry bar and 2 tiny screwdrivers, 1 flathead, 1 Phillips. These OEM quality CR1616 batteries fit all kinds of Honda models, including Accord, Civic, CR-V, Pilot, and many, many more.
My dead battery will not allow it to open the car. Your key fob might be a little bit different, but I start by taking out the actual key part and then use this wedge. I don't like to use the wedge to pry it open. I use a screwdriver that comes off, and then right here is the battery compartment right underneath that, right there. And then once you replace the battery, simply snap it together and you're good to go.
Now that the battery's replaced, I will unlock. All right, it works. As you can see, this took no programming. It was easy to use with the provided tools. There is no scarring, there's no markings, no nothing. The key fob looks just as good as it did on day one, and now I can enjoy a battery in this key fob that will keep it working for a very long time.